Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and I'm back at it with another video. And I am in the kitchen. I am going to try to give you guys a cooking video once a week, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But to all my new subscribers, welcome to the Suzie Gang family. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button like now. Like, help a sister out. I'm trying to reach 10K by the end of the year. I'm halfway through the year and I'm not halfway there yet, but y'all help me out, okay? So that's that. But today's video, I will be cooking a Father's Day dinner for Woo. So I'm going to make some steak, some New York strip steak. I'm going to make some crab legs, and I'm going to make some homemade lobster mac and cheese. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm still thinking if I want to add some asparagus to it, or would that be like too much? I'm not gonna do it as asparagus, but if you want to see what I got, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Look at that black girl. Queen.
I will be making my homemade sauce again, but I will not be showing y'all through this video. So if y'all want to see the sauce that I made for my crab legs, then y'all can go check it out on the other video. I will link it down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. But so let's go. These are all my goodies. I've already mixed my seasoning for my crab legs. That's what this is. I just gotta melt my butter and put it in there. I am actually about to get ready to run to the store, but before I go to the store, I want my steak to marinate, so I'm going to show y'all what I use for my steak. So I've been using New York strip steak. I picked these up at Pete's Market. This is my first time shopping there, and oh my god, y'all, this stuff is so fresh. But we're gonna go in with our steak and go ahead and rinse them off. My best friend convinced me not to cut the fat off because it leaves more flavor. And I think I should have cut off a little bit of it at least. We're gonna go ahead and get this steak together. And y'all, by the way, this is my first time cooking steak, and I did a pretty damn good job. But these are the seasonings that we'll be using it. Some salt, some meat tenderizer, soul seasoning, Miss Dash, and some garlic and herb seasoning. And when I season, I know I'm using a lot of different seasoning, but I don't put like a excessive amount. But like with my meat, I don't really measure. I go off of eye or whatnot. And yeah, so that's just how I do mine. So we're gonna go ahead and rub it together and then prep it to get it in the fridge so it can marinate. I usually marinate my meats the day before, but I was so busy with work that I didn't really have time to. I really need to get me some more Tupperware. But we're gonna go ahead and place these in here, and it is about 11 something. So it was a couple hours, probably like 3-4 hours, until I let them marinate and whatnot. So now we're gonna go in with this lobster meat. I'm still trying to figure out, do they sell any other meat other than the imitation, lobster meat. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and break up this meat. And we're gonna put this away as well. Y'all know I love to prep my meals before just cooking, but I'm back home, showered and all that good stuff. We prepped the oven to 350, and now we're gonna go ahead and start making our homemade lobster mac and cheese. So when we put the flour in, we're gonna whisk it up. It is gonna be a little thick because I should have let my butter melt all the way, but you know me, always doing something. But we're gonna keep the pot down low, but
It'll mix in, so don't worry, it'll mix in once you put the water and the milk. But I'm finna show you now. And you want to occasionally stir the mac and cheese, but we're close to getting it done, so we're gonna go ahead with some cheeses. And oh my god, y'all, this is definitely off of subject, but your girl is starting her swim classes next month. I'm so excited. So now that we have the cheese nice and mixed, we're gonna go in with our lobster meat. I decided to put 3 cups in mine. So you can put as much as you would like in yours. Now we're gonna transfer our mac and cheese into this glass dish. We're gonna go ahead and make some butter. Mix some butter and breadcrumbs together. Panko breadcrumbs. And we're just gonna sprinkle it over our mac and cheese. So y'all, I have some bad news. Somehow my video got deleted. A part of my video got deleted. So pretty much what I did cook this with butter. I just kept adding butter as I go along, and I am using some crushed garlic, and also I am using, and what I'm doing right there with the knife, I am cutting it because I love my steak well done. That's just how I like mine. So I did cut it to make sure it was well done. But I used some garlic. I crushed some garlic and some chimes, if I'm saying them right. And I cooked it with butter. I placed the garlic on each side as I flipped, and the juices I end up placing that on top of the steak as I was done cooking it, okay? I hope I explained that good enough, but pretty much I kept basting it with butter, I'm sorry. But if you guys would like a more detailed video on how I prep my steak, then let me know down in the comment section and I will give it to you with no problem. But this is the final and finished dinner. I hope it was detailed enough. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see how I made my sauce for my crab legs, you can go check out my video. I will list it down in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Peace.